He's gone for the pull. He'll get a four. Zahir Khan testing him with a short one, and Shahid Afri was in position very quickly, although didn't middle it, but that'll do the job for him. Apish away from the slipper, they'll run away to the boundary. And well, that could...
तो दोस्तों, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के माबेन आपको स्क्रीन पर चलता मैच नज़र आ रहा है, जहां पर पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने इंतहाई शानदार और तूफानी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया था, जहां पर इन दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा छक्के और चौके लगाए थे। चलो वीडियो देखते हैं।
Nicely struck this time.
Now the boundary. Sweetly struck.
दोस्तों, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के माबेन ये मैच बहुत ही ज़्यादा सनसनीखेज रहा। इस मैच को देखने के बाद यकीनी तौर पर आप भी कहोगे कि वाकई में पाक भारत टाकरे ऐसे भी हुआ करते थे।
He keeps it up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that'll do. It's gone an awful long way back. Terrific pickup. He's got that away.
बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा, शाहिद खान अफरीदी डटे हुए हैं, शानदार बल्लेबाजी का सिलसिला जारी है। लाला ने यहाँ पर इंडिया को दिन में तारे दिखा दिए। ज़हीर खान के खिलाफ शानदार बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा। यानी शायकीन क्रिकेटर नाच रहे हैं शाहिद खान अफरीदी की शानदार और तूफानी बल्लेबाजी।
Beautiful shot. All the way by about a foot and a half. Super shot.
और सही मायनों में इस मैच में शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने इंडियन गेंदबाजों की दुर्गत बना डाली थी।
9 overs gone, 80 without loss. That's a smear down the wicket and just smeared it. Totally and utterly premeditated. And this is where he starts.
ज़हीर खान, बालाजी, यासिर हमीद और शाहिद खान अफरीदी के सामने बिल्कुल बेबस नजर आए थे।
So you can't bowl that length and that wide with no third man. It's gone to pieces for India at the moment.
Gutsy selection to have him in the first place, but it's word. It's his 23rd 50. Hasn't made one for a while.
अब देख सकते हो 10 ओवर में पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 85 है। आजकल के पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट को देखे तो आजकल भी पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम इस तरह की बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा नहीं कर सकता।
There he goes. Hasn't come from the middle of the bat, but there are some powerful forearms of Shahid Afridi in that shot. Brings up the 100 for Pakistan. Well, there he goes again.
जब टीम को अच्छा स्टार्ट मिलता है तो उनका स्कोर भी तेजी से आगे जाता है। इस मैच के आखिर में आप ये देख पाओगे।
There he is. There he goes. It's a very good shot. One of the better shots that he's played. He's played plenty of those. But that was off a good ball. And a first boundary of Ashish Nehra. 116, no wicket.
दोस्तों, इस मैच में भारत की बेहतरीन बॉलिंग लाइनअप बालाजी, ज़हीर खान और इरफान पठान को पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने दिन में तारे दिखा दिए थे। लाला का ये अंदाज बहुत ही लाजवाब है। लाला जब बाहर निकलते हैं तो गेंद को बाउंड्री से बाहर फेंक देते। जहां लाला क्लीन बॉल हो गए, मगर अब भी पाकिस्तान के पास काफी बल्लेबाज मौजूद है।
All important wicket taken by Yuvraj Singh. It looked a pretty innocuous delivery. Shahid Afridi played all over it. Oh, lovely shot. Tremendous piece of placement. Mid-off was up in the circle. Played it straight enough to beat him. One away from his 50. Pushes his partner for a run. The crowd erupts. Yasir Hamid, fantastic innings. 50 not out. That's cleverly placed by Johanna. That's an excellent shot. What a good shot. That's put away. Didn't middle it, but middled it well enough to beat the fielder. Welcome boundary for Pakistan. A real bad delivery to end the over. Yuvraj bowled a half trick. 25 gone, 171 for 1.
Improvisation. That's a very, very good shot. He's hit that from, I would say, just outside off stump and worked it wide along on and past mid-wicket. It's been interesting. They want to, and they've gone for it. He'll have to hurry, but the throw is wild and high. Bowl him out, hit across it. Yeah, seemed to stand there forever, but I heard the castle go over.
पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 196 है। उनके 2 खिलाड़ी आउट है और 31.1 ओवर में।
And so does umpire Tarfel.
Well, this is when it's going to be a really good challenge for power now.
यासिर हमीद और इंजमाम उल हक का लाठी चार्ज जारी।
There are no fielders there. Yet another 6. There've been a few today.
यहाँ पर गलतफहमी और पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज यासिर हमीद को जाना पड़ेगा।
Imzamam wanted the run. Hamid didn't. Hamid lost. The 3rd wicket goes down.
Oh, he's gone up and over the big wicket. It's gone away. Oh, smart shot. Another boundary. He's gone down. They're looking for 2 to keep Inzamam, and they're coming back. Good piece of running. Fantastic work. Yunus Khan here doing the job for his skipper to keep him on strike. Now Ashish Nehra comes on. Bowled in front for the gate. Oh, he did the job in the last over at Karachi, and he knocks the Pakistani skipper over. What a start, particularly with the launching pad. They needed the captain there to make at least 80 runs in the last 10 overs. Great delivery.
Good shot. That's a very good shot. And he's been given 2 wickets and 2 balls for Ashish Nehra. Moin Khan, who struggled in the last match to get going. That's a first ball duck.
Nehra on a hat-trick. Oh, beautifully bowled. Beautifully bowled.
It's turning out to be a good phase for India.
Another midfield chance for run up. He hits just wide. Risky run. Tendulkar not happy. The end of the over. 264 for 5.
That's the one over, extra cover, and then a run away for 4. Big over for the home team. 3-9.
दोस्तों आखिरी लम्हात में अब्दुल रज़ाक भी जारहाना बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं। शानदार चौका, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, और यहाँ पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 323 तक पहुँचाने में अहम किरदार अदा किया। एक और शानदार स्ट्रोक, 1 रन बना और 1 ही रन बन पाएगा।